everyone. So today we're going to start our unit about fractions, and we're going to see how it connects with decimals. So today we're going to do a review of equivalent fractions. Now, as I stated, this is a review. You probably already know a lot of this. Please watch the video anyway and take your time, because this is one of the most important concepts that will really help you understand all the math we're going to do this year and math you will do in the future. So as you probably remember, fractions are called equivalent when they are the same size. So 1/3 is the same as 2/6, 3/9, 4/12, 5/15, 6/18, etc. So we can have half a cake. This cake says happy half birthday, which I thought was funny. We could also cut it up and make it 2/4. Now we have the same amount of cake, I just cut it into more pieces. So now it's 2/4. If I cut it again, it's 4/8. But again, these fractions are equivalent because I have the same cake. My cake has not changed, I'm just cutting. So for today's homework on Seesaw, there's 4 pages, so don't forget to do all of them. On the first page, we're finding the equivalent fraction. So use the picture, and we can see here that 2/2 would be the same as 1, 2, 3, 4/4. So fill in the green squares. On the next page, you're going to color in the equivalent fraction. So you would color in 1/3 here and 3/9 here. On the next page, we're finding equivalent fractions on the number line. So remember with a number line that we start with 0, and the orange markers are dividing it into 8 equal pieces. This is 1/8. And you can look up here and see the purple markers. How many equal pieces are the purple markers dividing it into? What are those pieces called? And don't forget to state one pair of equivalent fractions you found using the number line. On the last page, we're going to connect them back with decimals. So you might notice that we've used a similar style in looking at decimals. And when you read these out loud, they'll sound like the way that we read a decimal. So again, you're going to fill in those yellow boxes to find the equivalent fractions. Okay, let's get started.